Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this ballet-inspired arm workout. As always, we will be doing 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Let's begin with our palms facing down, keeping your back nice and tall and lengthened. Just pulse your arms up and down. I know it looks and feels super simple, but I promise you will feel the burn. 30 more seconds to go. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. With each 10-second breather, we will keep our arms in second position. Roll those shoulders back, belly button to spine, relax the rib cage, and let's go into second to first arm port-a-bras. Just take your arms in front of your belly button and open them to the side, keeping your elbows supported the entire time, shoulders open, and keep that beautiful posture. 30 more seconds. Once again, for this 10-second breather, keep your arms in second position. The next 40 seconds are swan arms, so leading with your elbows on the way up as well as on the way down. Keep your core engaged and keep your back nice and lengthened. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. And let's take that second position port-a-bras once again for our 10-second breather. And then we have double arm pushes with our swan arms this time. So you're going to push your hands and your arms away to the top, then to the middle, then to the bottom, and go to the top again. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take that second position with your arms again. Make sure you have space behind you because for the next one, we're going to flip our palms to face one another, taking our hands in line with our shoulders. If you can, squeeze those shoulder blades and lift your thumbs off the floor and lower, nice and controlled. Keep your back lengthened. If this is too difficult, open up your arms a little bit. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Take that second position once again. Next, we will have our palms facing up this time in a similar position with our hands behind us for little pulses at the top. Lift your hands as high as you can and then keep pulsing. This is great for your triceps. If this is too difficult, hinge your body a little bit forward. Keep going, 32 more seconds. Take that second position again. Next, we're going to place our hands behind us. Swing your legs in front of you for tricep pulses with your hips lifted. So plant your feet into the floor and your hands into the floor. Lift your hips slightly up and then keep your elbows bent this entire time. Do not sink into your hyperextension. Belly button to spine. Keep your head and your neck in line with your back and pulse your arms. Engage your triceps. Keep going. 26 more seconds. And finishing the last one, take that second position once again, and then we're going to finish with 40 seconds of push-ups. Option here to do full push-ups, or like I'm doing, push-ups on the knees. Keep going. Whatever modification you need to take today is totally valid. Trust me. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. You guys are done for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.
I never said